Good morning, everyone. It is week 2 of my internship. I did a mini series on my Instagram for my week 1 and people really loved it. So I decided to make this more of a full length vlog because I will be getting more busier and more things will be happening now. So I figured that would be interesting. The job market is really hard right now, so I am doing an internship. It's okay, I'm okay. Or maybe I lie to myself and say I'm okay about it. I have a little bit of extra time. It's 8:51. I don't start working until 10 a.m. Right now, I just finished eating a little bit of yogurt. I'm gonna stop really quick to the store and get myself a Red Bull. I was gonna get myself coffee, but honestly, I feel like it's a Red Bull day. I'm exhausted. Let's go and get my day started. But first, Red Bull. So today I have a lot of printing stuff that I have to do and designs. The coordinator that I usually work with, she's remote today, but she'll be here tomorrow, which is perfect. That gives me today to work on ideas for Women's Month and Hispanic Month. And also I want to do some printouts for this area that we have. I work at a university, so it's with student resources and I want to make it more welcoming. First, let me figure out my Canva because we have a login, but I don't know it yet. It's 10:47. I finished my Women's Month ideas document. I'm now working on Hispanic Heritage Month. I'm on doing a little bit of printing, like I said, but I'm thinking of what I want to do for that. It is almost lunch in like 40 minutes, 30, but I'm now working on the resource design. I'm speaking really quietly because there's someone on. I think they're on the phone. Anyways, that's what I'm doing right now. I finished the Heritage History Month though. It's good. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Right now I'm walking to get my ID badge fixed because I can't print anything. So that's where I'm going right now. It's all connected through like underground stuff, so it gets a little confusing, but I'm hoping they can fix it like right now. They were unable to figure out why my ID isn't working, so I made a ticket and we'll have someone else look at it. That kind of sucks that I can't do anything, so I might ask one of my coworkers if they can print it out for me. Fingers crossed they're here. Thankfully, she can print it for me. I was like, how am I gonna do this? Oh my god, there's a fly in here. Oh my god, it's gonna drive me nuts. Let me go get the papers. I'll be back. Yeah, today has been kind of slow. Tomorrow will be a little bit busier. Hopefully my ID works by next week. The other thing is I will start brainstorming tomorrow with flyers. Hello. I just finished lunch. I had about 30-minute lunch. I can have an hour lunch if I want to, but 30 minutes is usually enough for me because then I lose my spark and then forget my things. I just have to cut. I have people like right next to me, so they're a little loud sometimes. But this is what I have to cut out. Quite exciting. Let me cut that out and then I'll come back. I'm gonna be listening to the Twilight Audible, but it's The Midnight Sun, voiced by Cullen. I love AI. I'll put the link down below. With a frequency wide decided that I'm gonna do a shadow effect. So I'm gonna do this in this color, like that. So now what I have to do is go on Canva and organize it. And I can print it out in colored paper to save my hassle from having to do it myself. So that is what I'm gonna do.